U.S. stocks in the red this Friday morning as another volatile trading week comes to an end as investors weigh a massive drop in U.S. jobs along with a spike in oil prices. Now, U.S. payrolls falling by 701,000 for the month of March, marking the worst jobs report since 2009, while the unemployment rate that jumped to 4.4%. However, the report failed to capture the full extent of the economic blow, as on Thursday, the U.S. Labor Department said jobless claims jumped by a record 6.6 million for the week ended March 27. Those numbers not added into this report. That'll be next month. Meanwhile, in the forex market, the euro dollar is where we begin. That sees a bearish channel. The British pound US dollar pair sees the downside prevail as the pair stands below its strong horizontal resistance at 123.30 and remains capped by its declining moving averages. Short positions below 123.30 are favored with targets at 122.40 and 122.05 in extension. Meanwhile, the US dollar Japanese yen pair that sees a bullish bias above 107.70, while the Bitcoin dollar, as long as 65.64 is the support, look for 73.04. The pivot point at 65.64. And gold sees the bias remain bullish as it is supported by a rising trend line and by its rising 50-period moving average. Long positions above 1600 are favored with targets at 1627 and 1637 in extension, while silver that sees further advance.